You guys, I need to organize my fridge that I did not know I had. It's crazy. So I'm like,
Well, hello, hello. It's Saturday and it snowed a couple of times during the week. So we have a lot of snow all around and I love it. Like it looks absolutely gorgeous. So I thought to carry you guys along with me on this bus ride. Obi and I have like a bank appointment. So yeah, come with us on our bus ride.
weather feels the weather feels so good. I don't know, it feels like it's rained. After a rainfall, that's how it feels. But like I like it. Maybe because the ice is melting. So I'm on my way to Dollarama and I need to pick some storage containers because you guys, I need to organize my fridge. Today I was checking the fridge, like I saw that I had things that I did not know I had. It's crazy. So I'm like, nah, no more waiting. I must get the storage bins. I already got some, but like I did not know how it will look like in the fridge. So I got a couple of storage bins, different sizes, to just see how they'll fit into the fridge before I know how many more to get, right? So I'm going to get more. Now I figured it out. I'm going to go get more now. Yeah. So you guys are coming with me as I run errands today. Guys, I spent longer than I expected. I almost got carried away, but I got exactly the things that I had on my list first time. Just a few other things, but like things that we need. Whew.
Florida Governor Ron DeSantis visits the early nominating state of Iowa. Markets after the largest bank failure in the financial.
Hi y'all. So I just got in. Yeah. I just got back. This huge bag from Dollarama. Oh my god. Like today, this morning, I went crazy while I was trying to bring out stuff to use to make pancakes. I was searching for things like the fridge is small, but like if you organize it better, then it will work better. I was looking for things and then I started to see things that I did not know I had. Like the last time I went grocery shopping, I picked some grapes. But when I was picking those grapes, I'm like, I think I recently bought grapes. But I'm like, but I've not seen it around. Do you know today, while I was checking the fridge for something, I found grapes. So I have 2 packs of grapes. So like sometimes my fridge is just arranged in a way that I don't know what I have. So I've said no more. So today, before I was just buying things, you guys know the last time I bought like lunch plates, I told you I wanted the breakable ones. I finally found them. They now have at the Dollarama outlet that I went to. So I got this in wash scent booster. Which I got all purpose cleaner. They don't have the method one at no frills, at least no frills. So I just bought this one. This is from No Frills. From Dollarama, I got this, and then I got cotton swab. I got this glass window cleaner thing as well. So I got this jar. Yeah, it looks like this one that I got from Dollarama when we came. It holds my chin chin. You guys, this is the last batch of chin chin. If you watched my things I packed video, I think I showed it. I brought quite a lot of chin chin, and that is the last set, last batch. So I got this one for granola and oats, and I got this lifesaver thing. I think it's menthol sweet. I want to try it out. For the fridge organization, I got this plate. So this is the one I will be using. Some tissue paper, shelf and drawer liner. I didn't do more, but they only had it in this brownish tinted color, and I did not like it. But I just wanted to get it because I'm over my fridge being like this. So I just bought one. Maybe when next I stop by a Dollarama and they have the clear one again, I will buy that one. But yeah, this should be fine. This should be enough. I'm going to just put all this away. Ooh, something else that I got from Dollarama is this oven mitt or oven meeting or this glove thingy. Yo. Or should I maybe I'll just do the kitchen organization, the fridge organization vlog together. All right, so let us do it. So I think I'll because I was thinking to make the video separate, but like I think I can just embed it in this vlog. Yeah. So I got these for the fridge organization, like I showed you. Then I got this one also. I already got 2 of these. So I decided to get. Hi guys. So I've got eaten and I almost got carried away with watching YouTube videos, but yeah, I'm up now and I want to organize my fridge. You guys, I am not proud of what this fridge looks like, but yeah, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you what it looks like in there, and then I'll show you the things that I got to do this reorganization. Guys, I think my skin is glowing. Ooh. This is what the fridge looks like. Yeah, this is what the fridge looks like. Yeah, the fridge is so small, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, so we need to do something about all of this. So I'm going to take everything out. Yeah, let's get right into it. So these are the storage bins that I'm going to be using. All of them from Dollarama, you guys.
So this is more like an affordable way to organize your fridge. So I'm going to take out all of the labels and go wash it, and I'll be right back. Finally, the moment that I have been waiting for patiently is here, where I organize my fridge. So first things first, I'm going to be clearing out the fridge, but I'm going to be leaving the tomatoes there. They're just fine there, so nothing needs to be done. But every other thing I'm going to clear out, and I'm going to wipe down the fridge, clean it, and get it ready for the new members of my fridge, which are my storage bins that I got from Dollarama. Actually, this is the best part of this video. It is the fact that I did not get any fancy thing. I just got these bins for what? The most expensive of the beans, which are the larger ones, cost $4.25 or thereabout. Smaller beans for $3.50, and I got 2 jars for $3.50 each as well. So overall, I spent a total of $30 to organize this fridge just as it is. I actually did order like an egg organizer, which from AliExpress, which is yet to be delivered. So I just went ahead to organize the fridge without it. In subsequent vlogs, you're going to see it is actually very cute and very, very functional. But for the purpose of this video, guys, I spent just $30 in total, and my fridge came out looking good. You don't need to have all the fancy things you see on social media. You just need to find what works for you, and this one absolutely works for my small sized fridge. Yo, I did not think it would take this long. I don't even remember when I started, but I have watched 2 YouTube videos. One was almost 50 minutes long, and the other maybe about 30 minutes long. So you can just calculate it. I've been at this for quite a while, for over an hour. So let us do the big reveal. I'm so happy. Ooh. Yo, it has been a stressful couple of hours. I think the time right now is it's 3:43, and I must have started the whole process of organizing at maybe 2:01. So this is like a good 2 hours plus, because I got back and past stuff. Anyway, I must have eaten within like 10 minutes. So it's more than 2 hours. Oh God, I feel my entire body. I had to push myself to wash those plates. Like I was struggling. No, I must get extra plates. We have to start using this dishwasher. I can't fit anymore. Oh my God, my legs hurt. Oh, my body. Oh shit. Like, like, oh no. Y'all remember I said I wanted to come back from, the bank. I think I mentioned it, and then, film a video. It did not happen. It cannot happen. I mean, I could push myself, but like I don't want to, the type of video I want to do, that I want to film, it's supposed to be like a chilled type of video. So I don't want to fuss things. So it's not gonna happen. At least I got one content out of the way. So at least I filmed this refrigerator organization video, and I think hopefully it comes out good. But like, yeah,
I'm just going to embed it in this vlog. So I think I've tried for that video. I don't know when it's gonna happen again, no, because I will take down this hair starting from tomorrow, or even maybe today. So what am I gonna do now? So I just want to complete editing the video that I was editing, you guys. I just want to do like some voiceover. Yeah, I've added every other thing. Yeah. So I don't know. I don't think anything else is gonna be happening in this vlog. I just want this vlog to be like a Saturday in my life. Or yeah, spend the Saturday with me type of vlog. So I just might be closing the vlog, yeah, because honestly I think I need to nap. This is still 4. I don't even know how possible that is, but like I need to sleep. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you watched till this point, I really do appreciate your time. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you like about the video. I would like to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Share the video if you can, and yes, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. So see you later. Bye.